doing yo-yos. Simple recipe. We want a nice short crumbled mixture. I've got half a cup of self-raising flour, half a cup of custard powder, which is there, and 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. I've already measured it. I'm going to sift it because it's a bit lumpy today, and also it just helps to combine the ingredients together. I don't normally sift it today. What do you think the custard powder's in there?
Make it creamier.
Creamier, yeah, a little bit. It's just fake custard flavour, so it gives it that custardy flavour. So it has milk powder in it, it's got sugar in it, it's got colouring. So that's what makes them, that's what makes them go yellow. I'm just going to mix that up so it's evenly mixed up. Otherwise you end up with pockets of sugar and pockets of flour in there. The flour gives it the structure that holds it together. Custard powder also has corn flour in it. So it's corn flour doesn't have any gluten in it, so it's a very short, crumbly flour once it's baked. I've got 1 chunk of butter, which equals 90 grams, cold butter. Now remember when we're rubbing together, what parts of our hands do we use? Yes, why the fingertips?
And it doesn't make it warm.
Thank you, just make it warm. Being tough and hard, they'll still taste good, but they won't have the texture it's supposed to have. So using our fingertips to break the butter into small pieces and rub it together. Yep.
What's your longest recipe?
I'll get to that in a minute. See you recording?
Yeah.
Thank you. So, it's almost finished. Most of the butter's gone. Well, it's all incorporated. It smells wonderful. Now, if it's too dry, you can probably put a little bit of cold water in there, like icy cold water. But you shouldn't need to. The recipe doesn't have it, so you shouldn't need it. Now, should be able to, yeah, it's quite dry. But bring that into a ball. It says walnut size, but about that size. I think it might need a little bit of water. Let's see how that goes. Onto the tray. If you add water to it, it'll end up making it too chewy, too hard. And then just crushing it down with a fork to give it a shape. And that's about right, and that's good actually. So it's really fluffy and light and powdery. But if I squeeze it with my hands, that just makes the butter just kind of come out, ooze out and stick in the flour more. Squish it back down again. And try and have them roughly the same size, so when you stick them together it works. Alright, so these are coming out of the oven. Got a little bit of colour. Bottom's got a touch of colour as well, and they're firm. They're just cooling down before we fill them up with the... So an easy cheat to do this is to make a piping bag that you can just throw out. So take the butter icing, here it goes. Hopefully this works. Squeeze it down, squeeze out the excess from the top. Now before the icing goes all the way to the bottom, I'm going to cut the hole now so I don't get butter on my scissors. About that size. Okay, squeezing it down. Now, what I was saying before, butter icing melts when it gets hot, so your yo-yos have to be cold or cool before you start filling them up. So you put them on cooling racks to speed the cooling process up. So turn them over, take my mixture, squeeze it in, and then on goes my lid. If you don't want to do piping bags, you can just plain old spoon, but it will get messy. Oops, personally I prefer that, it just looks better.
Yeah, we get this.
And the butter icing is just icing sugar and soft butter, about equal parts of each, and just beat it up until it becomes light and fluffy. And that's it.